What is the second law of thermodynamics? The second law states that if the physical process is irreversible, the combined entropy of the system and the environment must increase. The final entropy must be greater than the initial entropy for an irreversible process. The second law of thermodynamics establishes the concept of entropy as a physical property of a thermodynamic system. The perfect answer to this question would be: the second law of thermodynamics depicts that the total entropy of an isolated system can never reduce over time. Name two vital conditions of a perfect gas. In physics, a perfect gas is a theoretical gas that differs from real gases. In perfect gas models, intermolecular forces are neglected. This means that one can neglect many complications that may arise from the van der Waals forces. The perfect answer to this question would be: a perfect gas should satisfy the state equation, and specific heat of a perfect gas always remains constant. Explain enthalpy. Enthalpy is a property of a thermodynamic system, which is defined as the sum of the system's internal energy and the product of its pressure and volume. It is a convenient state function standardly used in many measurements in chemical, biological, and physical systems at a constant pressure. The answer to this question is pretty short. It should be: it is the heat content of a thermodynamic system. What is the difference between heat capacity and specific heat of a material? Heat capacity is the ratio of the amount of heat energy transferred to an object to the resulting increase in its temperature. Specific heat capacity is a measure of the amount of heat necessary to raise the temperature of 1 gram of a pure substance by 1 degree Kelvin. The answer to this question would be: the heat capacity of a material is the amount of heat transformed to raise unit mass of a material 1 degree in temperature.